You guys, it happened. Oh, there's my proof of purchase. But I got the call. So happy. First bag of 2024. I was hoping it would come in December/November. I was offered something else and I didn't take it because this is what I really wanted, and I got it. So this is like a I'm filming it again because the footage that I filmed I did not like. So that was a makeshift tying of the bow. Oh, let me show you guys. I did buy a twilly, but it's already on the bag. And then I bought this. If you guys know, this is the scarf rings. So it comes in a little pouch and it's in the shape of the heart. So I also got that. Oh, also, I forgot. Let me show you guys. I also got the 2024 Lunar New Year envelopes, and they're super cool. They're Year of the Dragon, so it's a dragon with the tongue. So when you open it up, the tongue opens, I think. It's like that. And then you put the money in there. So cute. So I did get that. And then now for the actual unboxing. By the size, I'm sure you guys can tell what this is. I have the clochette in here, and I don't put that on my bags just because it adds additional weight that I don't want. And yes, the rumors are true. They're no longer adding dust bags, or I mean rain jackets in with your items. Here's the bag to reveal, and then I have this, but I'm gonna take that off. Ta-da! It is a Kelly 25 Cellier gold hardware with this twilly and then that heart ring that I was talking about. And yes, it is definitely 20 with my Birkin 25 over here. She's so beautiful. I love her. There has been a price increase, and I'm gonna show you guys what I paid for. That's how much this item was. Yes, I know it's a lot of money, but she's beautiful, stunning. I love her. She's perfect. And yeah, look how cute she is. Right now I just have my wallet, keys, and a lipstick. I'm pretty sure I pack a gum in here because I don't stuff my bags a lot, and this is literally perfect. I never knew I would be a Cellier girl until I got the Retourne, and I feel like this proportion wise just looks so much better than the Retourne. I feel like the Retourne is just a little bit too long because it's stitched inwards, you know, but nonetheless, let's do some watch shots. Okay, I am a 4'11", size 16-14 for reference. On the crook of the hand, swinging. And my favorite part, and it does go crossbody, it's just really awkward. Like, that's just super weird. And this is also gold on gold, and you can see like the color differences. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I love her so much. Please subscribe, follow me on all my socials. I'll link them down below, and I will do a ratio / everything I purchased before I got this offer in my next video, so stay tuned. I will see you next time. Bye.